Okay, I'm back with just one more online match, and just see if we get a different style opponent. Last opponent was pretty evenly matched to me, so made a good game. Although I didn't play particularly well, I'm sure I could play a bit better than that. So we're up against a Mario who's got a fair old score there, so I think we could get a bit of a thrashing. Oh, and that's another terrible error. Deary me. Okay. And... oh, deary me. So Mario's not playing that well, but I'm playing appallingly. Oh, deary me. Missing all the shots. There we go. That's a better one. Oh, that was ridiculous. Never mind. Okay, so that's better, 15-0. And that's a much better return. Oh, didn't even attempt to hit the ball that time. Oh, oh, what a mix-up. So he managed to win that point. Not sure how. Okay, come on then, serve. Oh, lovely. So played well on that one. Waited for it to come over and actually predicted the shot, which is nice. So let's just line my screen back up. Let's concentrate on our serve this time. That's a bit better. Oh, dreadful error. Another dreadful error. Oh, dearie me. Should have put that away. Never mind. And a very poor serve. But we've managed to put it back. And we've got 15. Oh, come on then. Let's see what we can do. Oh, my screen's fallen down there. If we get 30-15, we'll pull that back up. Oh, just about recovered that. And we've got 40-15. So, oh dearie me, made a bit of a poor error there. 40-30. I was trying to do a sneaky shot there. Oh, and I've just got it in. Look at that. So that's 2-1. Oh, are we going to get that one? We are. Love 15. We've pulled it back from a terrible first service game. And we've actually shown that Black Yoshi, or Yoshi, can play. Love 30. Oh, bit of an error there. But a good recovery. Oh. Love 40. 3 match points now. And takes the first one. So that's a bit better. So it just shows with a bit of practice you can get better. And we managed to win after a shocking start. And our rating has gone up a little bit. So, Mario wasn't quite as good as he looked at the first. But I might have been a bit lucky. So that's the end of that online match.